Hey lovely people, welcome back to Lily's Foods. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for the support, guys, and happy new year to you all. Yes, so today I'm making this delicious fish stew, or we can call it the African fish stew. Very nice. So I'm going to chop my ingredients and add them in the blender. I have my red pepper. I'm going to use one red pepper here. I have 2 tomatoes and 4 garlic cloves and some ginger. So I'm going to cut these up and add them in the blender. So add in water and blend until it's smooth. Okay guys, so we are going to add our blended paper and everything in the pan, in the saucepan, and we cook until there is no water left. Try not to mix it so that we avoid the splatters. Yes, so in another bowl, add in water, add some salt in there and some lemons. Now you're going to add in the fish. This is like a way of seasoning fish, and salt will really enter in our fish so that it's well seasoned. Now these are our ingredients. I have my boiled pepper sauce there, my tomato paste, carrots and green pepper, ginger and garlic paste, and our onions there. I used 2 onions. So in a hot pan, add your oil there and when the oil is ready, add the onions and cook properly until they are golden brown. So you're going to add our ginger and garlic paste here, mix properly, saute on medium heat, cook on medium heat. Yes, add in your carrots and green pepper. Now we're going to add in our tomato paste. Yes, and cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Yes guys, so this was what we blended: our red pepper, tomatoes, onions, everything that we blended. Now we boiled it. Now we're going to add it in there. You let it cook for some minutes and you add in your spices. So I used 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and some dried rosemary. I used 1 tablespoon of salt and a half teaspoon of pepper. Add some sugar in there to help balance our taste properly. Yes, now cook and then add your fish. It's looking really nice. Yes, so guys, this is a very easy yet tasty recipe right here. It doesn't take long. Like preparing and doing all this is going to take like 20 minutes at most. Okay, so you add in your water according to what you want. Yes, add in some water there and cover. Let it cook for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So fish doesn't take long, guys. Now I mixed some Royco in there. I used a tablespoon of Royco and I added a bit of water. Then I mixed it. That's what I'm pouring here. And you also add your oatmeal, coriander. Try to mix with a spoon because you know fish is very delicate, so that we don't break it. I used a spoon to mix to go around my sauce. Yes guys, the sauce is really looking good and it's really simple, guys, and it's really tasty. So my sauce is here. I'm going to serve it up with some posho or you can also serve it up with rice, and it's really good, guys. And matoke, anything goes well with this. Serve it up and enjoy with your whole family. Thank you for the support, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next recipe. God bless you.